When you look at construction, it's probably one of the least automated industries in the world. It's extremely segmented with many players, many stakeholders that often work in their own individual silos. Constructioneering is a holistic approach, a more overall approach to automating the entire workflow, including all the silos, instead of just focusing on one particular silo where we try to automate only the pieces that the customers are involved with. We want to look at construction as one complete flow of activities together with Bentley and automate it from that perspective. In today's way of working, when you move from one phase to another in construction, whether that's conceptual planning to detailed planning to design, scheduling, estimating, execution even, between every phase and every stakeholder there's a handover. This handover creates data loss. It's what we call the digital landfill. A lot of beautiful data generated in a phase. Most of it is not being handed over to the next one. And those are gaps in productivity, they cause waste and inefficiency, and that is what we try to address with the constructioneering approach. The partnership between Topcon and Bentley is really created to take away the burden from the customers to figure out how they make different pieces of software, different pieces of hardware, different tools used in the various phases of construction to make them work together. We try to optimize that for them. That is the aim of the cooperation between our two companies. The users eventually will end up with a much smoother and more efficient workflow, creating significantly less waste, loss of resources, loss of data, and in the end higher quality and better quality of work. Constructioneering Academy aims to educate our customers and especially various stakeholders in the process, bring them together and explain what is possible from a technology and efficiency standpoint today, and make clear to everybody involved that we can work differently. The traditional inputs and outputs for the various phases, they can change and actually should change if we want to be more productive. So it's an educational purpose, probably for the largest extent of it. The Constructioneering Academy is aimed currently at professionals in the construction industry. That can be anybody from an owner to an architect to program managers to contractors and subcontractors. We work in a 3D world, three-dimensional world. The ability to connect the job site with the traditional office in real time, 24 hours a day, allows us to be seamlessly connected and also to start working on a timeline and actually virtually construct something before it's being physically constructed. And in that way optimize whatever that needs to be done out in the field, minimize waste and optimize the result. Our DNA is in construction. We are a more than 80-year-old company, founded on the principles of creating measurement devices that have since the early days found their main application in the construction and the survey industries. So the construction market has traditionally been a core customer base and application for us in many aspects.